The letter Tet is our next letter in the alphabet. The letter Tet has the T sound, and it combines normally with vowels as the other consonants that we've already learned. And Joseph, if I would ask you now to recite the letter Tet with the various vowels.
Yes. There is ta, tu,
Good.
to, te, and t.
Very good. We are becoming expert at recognizing the difference between the U vowel and the O vowel. Joseph, how do you distinguish between the U vowel and the O vowel?
The U is a long vowel and the O is a short vowel.
Okay, and visually,
Yes.
what is the difference in the appearance of the two vowels?
The U appears on the side of that letter, looking like verb, but but the O is set to be upside of that letter that appear to be verb, appear like a verb.
Correct.
Yes.
So to reiterate, the two has the dot in the middle of the vowel,
Yes.
and the toe has the dot on the roof.
Yes.
Likewise, we're becoming expert at distinguishing between the tsere, the long version of the tsere, and the chirik, the long version of the chirik. And Joseph, how do you distinguish visually between the tsere and the chirik?
The sere has two dots, while the chirik has one dot in the bottom of the consonant.
Exactly.
Yes.
So the key is to notice two dots with the tsere combined with a yud for the long version of the tsere. And in the case of the chirik, one dot under the consonant combined with the yud to form the long version of the chirik. Very good.
Although
I think we can continue. Yes, please.
I can see the te has a aleph instead of the tet.
Where is that?
You can present again the document. The te.
Oh,
Yes, it has
yeah,
an aleph.
very good. Let's fix that right now. There we go. Thank you. Oh, now I need a vowel. Oh, well, I may have lost the vowel temporarily, but we'll put it in later. One of the technical skills I'll need to learn is how to type the alphabet at my desktop computer. I've become very good at typing on the phone,
Yes.
but it's a little bit more challenging with a normal keyboard at the desktop. So some of this stuff I'm still learning.
Yes, some of the words, it is not easy to find the letters in the keyboard.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, I guess we're ready to practice reading Tets. So let's move on to the drill. And I think you're well prepared to go through these lines of Tet reading practice for us, Joseph. Would you like to do line 1?
Yes. Ta, te, ta, ti.
Excellent. I'll take a turn on the next. Tu, ti, tu, ta. Tafadali.
To, ta, to, tu.
Very good. Te, tu, te, to. And the last,
Ti, to, ti, te.
very good. The next exercise is identifying letters in a random way, not pronouncing them with vowels, but giving us an opportunity to remember the names of the various letters we've learned, which are many now. We're up to, I believe, 8 or 9 letters. So for everybody's benefit, Joseph, can we review the names of the letters we've learned, starting with Aleph?
Aleph, Bet, Vet, Gimel, Dalet,
Very good.
Hey, Vav,
Yes.
Zayin,
Now you remember the Luya word for water, and that'll remind you.
Het.
There you go. You see that?
Yes.
That's everything comes in, everything can help us.
Yes, it is het. Then this is the one that you have learned today. It is
It rhymes with chet.
tet.
Yes.
Tet. I think the one in our the one that we have read, is it the in low caps? Then this one that we are reviewing is in caps.
In a uppercase, in like a high, in a capital letters.
Yes.
You mean these letters as opposed to these letters?
Yes.
I think it's just a difference in size. I think it's the same. Oh, it's a little bit different. Yeah, I think that you've noticed something helpful. I don't know if you would call it lowercase and uppercase or just two different styles of writing the tet.
Yes.
But this one has a rounded bottom, and this one has a flat bottom.
Yes.
So I think it's the difference between handwriting, we call it in English cursive, and printing. I think this would be more of like, and this would be more of the handwritten form. That's a good observation. It's probably worth noting that as you progress with your Hebrew reading, you'll see many different texts with many different font styles, just as in English or Swahili, we see different fonts for the letters. We can see that with the Hebrew letters as well. So well noted. The next exercise that we're going to work on together is now a random pronunciation of letters. We've only practiced up until yesterday pronunciation of one letter with the vowels. Now we are challenging you, Joseph, with a random presentation of both consonants and letters. We're going to be working not only the kamats, the patach, and the tseire today, but I've added the segol and the cholam. So we have We have 5 reading exercises coming up with the 5 different vowels with a randomization of consonants. Are you prepared for your challenge, brother?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll start with a randomization kamats. And I think we can do the first line and maybe half of the second line. So if you'd like to begin the pronunciation exercise with line 1, please.
Yes. A, ba, va, ga, da, ha.
Well done. I think we can do line 2 through until the tet. Kindly.
Va, za, cha,
Ha.
ha,
There you go.
ta.
Well done. Well done. Well done. We'll proceed now to consonants combined with the patach, which is also on this worksheet. I just have to go. I'm sorry.
I'm trying to see the next letter after ta. It looks
Is the yud. Yes, please.
it looks like it's somehow similar to the va.
Yeah.
Yes.
Or even more similar to the Zion
Yes.
because of the edge being I forgot how you described the edge of the Zion as curved.
Yes.
Yeah. But the body is cut. So it's shortened.
Yes.
Right. Let me see. I may have to. I know what I need to do. I just need to move this out of the way. And then I can go to 12. Okay. Next, we're going to have random consonants with the patach under it. If you would start with line 1, please.
A, ba, va, ga, da, ha.
Well done. Continue through to the tet.
Va, za, ha,
Nice.
ta,
Yes,
ya.
that's right. I wonder if you recognize this as the first letter in Yahweh's name.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, we have all of the letters now. We have the Yud, the Hey, the Vav, and the Hey. And we'll see that in our scriptures eventually, our scripture quotes. Let's move on now to a new vowel, the Tsere. And you'll notice that we're using the short form of the Tsere. In other words, there's no Yud. It's the 2 dots alone is considered the short vowel of the Tsere. And if you'd kindly recite these as well, please.
E, B, V, G, D, He.
Very good. Continue on.
V, Z, He,
Nice.
T,
Okay.
Ye.
Very nice. Very good. Excellent. We have two more vowels to challenge you, brother. The first of them is the segol. And this is three dots forming a triangle on the bottom of the consonant. And if you kindly recite, starting with line 1.
A, not A, sorry. E,
Right.
B, V, G, D, He.
Nice. Line 2.
V, Z, He,
Nice.
T, Ye.
Excellent. Excellent. One more for our practice will be the cholam. Again, we're only going to have the short form of the cholam. This is the short form and this is the long form, but I believe our practice now will just be the short form. If you'd like to proceed, please.
O, Bo, Vo, Go, Do, Ho.
Nice. A few more letters.
Vo, Zo, Ho,
Yeah.
To,
Uh-huh.
Yo.
Very nice.